The organization breakdown structure, OBS, pertains to the operational structure of the client's business. It is established on an individual basis and is closely tied to the project owner or sponsor who bears the financial responsibility. It is advisable to first develop the OBS before delving into the enterprise project structure, EPS, for reasons that will be clarified in the EPS section. In the drop-down menu, go to Enterprise OBS. There is also an icon, as part of the Enterprise toolbar, to take you to the same place. However, the toolbar default is for the icon not to be displayed. Once the window is open, creating an OBS is straightforward. Click the Add button and add in the name of the client employee. The setup is hierarchical in nature, similar to a WBS, and names can be moved around in the hierarchy as situations change. Each person on the OBS can have users and projects associated with them. This also happens automatically when the person is associated with an EPS level, whether that is a single project or group of projects. In this case, the live database has the company, in black at the top, root, enterprise level, with the intent to have clients at level 2, in yellow, and their respective hierarchies from level 3. Enterprise project structure, EPS, is the way in which projects are hierarchically presented in P6. This is a logically representation of how projects are or should be represented in a client's company. Given that most companies will run a single live database to cover all its clients, we would expect the first level in the hierarchy to be client/company. The projects in the company would then be arranged in a logical order that makes sense to them. It may be the case that the client is new to projects and would us to set out the EPS for them, likely a consultative process. This may be regional, geographical or asset-based, or a combination. The user would need to understand how the company operates prior to setting up the EPS. The EPS is set up from a top-down arrangement for projects to sit logically underneath, similar to a file structure in Windows Explorer. In the drop-down menu, go to Enterprise Project Structure. There is also an icon on the Enterprise toolbar to take you to the same place. Simply use the Add button to create new enterprises. In this company database, the EPS hierarchy matches the intended OBS. Once the clients are created, the responsible manager can be selected. Here we select from the OBS we created earlier. This can be edited at any time later if required.